Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacey. I'm Auntie Stacey. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to share with you today is called
Dance Mihlali. It's almost time for the big concert at school. All the children are having fun practicing. But not Mihlali. She's worried she'll forget her dance steps. "I'll help you practice at home," says Mom. "I wish this concert would never happen," cried Mihlali. "Not a chance," says Mom. "The day of the concert is getting closer. Granny has sent you a gift." Mihlali is too worried about the concert to open gifts. Perhaps she should take a look inside. What great dancing shoes from Granny! Granny was the best dancer ever. Mihlali practices and practices at school. And at home. And she dances in her dreams. Mihlali must rest. The big concert is tomorrow. It's concert day. Mihlali does her dance just right. What great fun! And surprise! Granny has even come to watch Mihlali dance. "I dance just like you, Granny." "You are amazing!" exclaims Granny. "You are the best dancer I've ever seen."
This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.